Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I'll follow up on that Marx 999 that arrived today. $10, only bidder. Took the motor out, as you see. The light bulb was out. I was going to replace it. It has the original light bulb in it, and it's working. So let me turn the power on here. As you see, this old motor runs absolutely splendidly. So, lubricated the motor, cleaned the wheels, kind of. Just really cursory for right now. I did repair the cab, as you can see. So, getting ready to put this back together. And the reason it was slipping so badly on the track was the coupler was really bent. So it was lifting the rear wheels off the ground, basically. All right, let's get this thing put back together. And we'll get it on the rail and see how we do now. So it's completely original. No one's ever done anything to it as far as I can tell. All right. Screws back in it. All right, one on that side, one on that side. Now I've oiled the wheels. The front wheels were really rusty, as you can no doubt tell. All right, so we should have a running Marx 999, and we do, as you see. All right, let me pull the camera off the tripod. So again, I've got to stress it. Don't overlook the junk. Now all I have to do is touch up the paint, and you have a really decent pre-war Marx 999 for $10. Difficult to beat that. Okay, I've straightened the coupler. We should have no issues at all. This is 10 Lionel cars. Let's see how this goes. Zoom. So you tell me, was that worth $10? This thing's running like it's brand new. And technically, I've done nothing to it. Tightened the light bulb, a couple of drops of oil, cursory cleaning, and I did repair that dent in the cab. So as you see, a really decent early Marx 999. $10 on eBay. Don't overlook the junk. This thing had not moved in decades. And as you see, it is running absolutely splendidly. No problems with this at all. All I got to do now is touch up the paint. The thing will be more than acceptable looking. So obviously I'm not going to tear it apart for the wheels. So what it needs now is to run. So I'll try it on a couple of different consists. I'll run it probably the rest of the day. Anyway, this just reinforces everything I say about Marx locomotives. Don't overlook the junk. No one bid on this because it looks absolutely terrible. But you judge a locomotive on how it runs, not how it looks. So get it running and then address the paint. But as you can see, it looks pretty rough. It's filthy. And the paint is really gray, and of course it's also 85 years old. So take an ink marker, touch up the paint, oil it. The thing will be more than acceptable looking. It'll be solid black. The dent has been repaired. It runs well. It'll look nice. And it was absolutely dirt cheap. I mean, you can't beat $10 for pre-war 999 that's running. And not only running, it's running absolutely splendidly. E-Unit Works has the original headlight in it. As you see, this runs absolutely splendidly. And it's been here less than an hour. So I'll touch up the paint. I'll do one follow-up video so you can see the result. But it's actually dirt cheap to get a running 999, pre-war 999 for $10. You know, like I said, I bought it just to get those spoke wheels off of it. That's what I wanted. Now, those spoke wheels by themselves are worth, what, 5 times what I paid for this locomotive. Just the wheels alone. Anyway, I just wanted to do a follow-up on this. Don't overlook the junk. You can do this on a real shoestring budget, doing stuff just like this. A couple minutes of your time, you've got a really decent running locomotive. This thing's 85 years old, something like that, and it runs like it was made yesterday. So, just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.